Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel Sophie Stained Glass. If you're joining me for the first time today, you're very welcome. And if you're returning, thank you very much for coming back. Today I'm going to attempt to untangle and rejuvenate some very old lead to see if it's possible or worth doing. These are the bits of lead I have found that I'm going to try and bring back to life. Very nasty. This is around, I think it's a 10mm. That's quite stiff. This is a flat, possibly 6mm. So not stiff. First thing is I'm going to stretch them and try and get the twists out of them. So that has straightened that one out quite nicely. Now I'll try this 10mm. I'll need a bit more welly for this, obviously. And being not an incredibly large person, I struggle more with the thicker lead. I guess if you've got a bit more heft than me, you can probably pull it better. Right, so that's about all I can manage. Now we will do a bit of work with our fids. Well, oyster knife and fid. That's what I'm going to try. So I think I might bring the camera a bit closer for this next section. Right. This one's not going too badly, but then I suppose it wasn't that bad to start with it being quite a chunky bit of lead. So far so good. All this is going to be quite usable. It doesn't seem to suffer too much kinking or damage. So let's just turn it around so it's still in shot. Yeah. So there you go. That one fine, no problem. This one I'm a little more sceptical about. It might even be a 5mm, not a 6mm. So what we've got is a lot of kinking. I'm hoping you can see that. And that's going to be fairly ugly. Oh, that's quite a harsh tool, that oyster knife. So here That's too ugly. I wouldn't use that bit. So when you're cutting your pieces, you would just avoid that bit basically. Cut it out. So again, this bit, I don't think we're going to be able to do anything with that bit. So I guess you can actually do something with your horrible old bent lead to make it usable again, but there will inevitably be some bits that you can't do anything with. So don't throw any of it away, because there will come a time when you're doing a panel and you just need one little bit more of that particular size lead, and you'll be glad you saved this. So yeah, interesting little experiment. So there we have it. I hope you found that useful, and it will help you decide whether or not to chuck the lead or try and bring it back to life. Please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if there's any videos you'd like me to make or information you need, and I'll try and help. Thank you.